Great!
Are you vegan? When was the last time you read the label on your product? Well, aren't we all guilty? I'm hungry, I just want to get something in the store, I'm outside, and I just grab an item, the most beautiful packaging. This gorgeous product. Isn't the packaging cool? Okay, so what I saw, small salmon, Rauchela, a vegan alternative is very small. I know that the beautiful Swiss Bio logo. So obviously, this looks like a no-brainer, right? I just want to buy this because everything looks perfect. It looks high quality. Okay, it's around $8.95 for this product. But I was so hungry, I grabbed it. And I'm going home to eat salmon. But a vegan is like, okay, maybe it doesn't have the oils and all the nasty stuff in it. That's what makes it vegan. And of course, it's good on my system. It's not meat. And yeah. So I got home and I opened this package. And I'm so hungry. And voila, I open it. And guess what? Gases? No, I cannot eat it. You have to be the educated consumer all the time. The, P's and Q's. So guess what's in this? Karotte. Okay, my German is Swiss German is bad. Carrots. Salt. Meersalt. Sea salt. Raps oil, which is super healthy. And for those of you who are high blood pressure and the salt, diabetic as well. And what else? It has apple cider vinegar. That's in this product for almost 9 frames. Come on, guys. But this, you know what? Just go eat a damn carrot. This is healthy. This is organic. It's organically grown. And this stuff is grounded carrots, guy. Carrots that's salted. Carrots that has preservative, of course, put us in this package. And it's not even one carrot grated. If you grate a carrot, this will be over here. And I'm really unhappy with this. So you got not even olive oil, which is good for a digestive system. The raps oil is quite heavy stuff. While it has some benefits, it honestly not the best oil for our digestive and immune system. Grab some olive oil, grab some balsamic vinegar, grate a ton load of carrots. It's not going to cost you 1 franc, but even this may just cost you 10 pence, or a pack of carrots that costs 2 francs, and you have a ton load of carrots salad to serve your family. Guys, when I get annoyed, I start laughing. That's my way of letting it out. But I tell you, as a brand, when I put something packaged and I sell it to you, I know what I'm selling to you because I want you to become healthier, happy, and advance your health in every form. Not to add more salt to your diet, not to add this raps oil, and of course the vinegar. Who knows what credit for that? I give them credit for the nice packaging. I'm not gonna tag yourself a nice salad. Look at this salad, guys. Isn't this salad like yummy? I can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna share this gorgeous salad with you. So this is how we can all work together and finding ways to eat healthy, naturals, very simple mint products that cost 10 francs for a little piece of carrots. Gosh, no. I'm speaking like a Trinidadian now. I got avocado, pomegranates, tomatoes, rucola, spinach, sauerkraut. Funny. Yeah, I got some carrots in here. I got purple onions. And yeah, and I just put some olive oil. I put some more olive oil in it. If you like that, I can. Hello, guys. This is organic olive oil. And of course, some balsamic vinegar, which I love. I love this. And my salad, well, your salad that you prepared right now with this real carrot is here to rock you. I can share our gifts. That's all your gift. my gift I share with you so that you can become happier, healthier, and you share your gifts with others so the world can be a better place. Happier, healthier. Let's spread global wellness together. Thank you. And before I eat my salad,